look at her shoes.
I know. Like, who wears that?
Not me.
Hey, you want to go to the beach?
Yeah! I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop.
The distance is 4.6 feet, and since you have to convert it to meters, so it's 1.4 meters. The time is 6 seconds, and we're 0.6 seconds, and then we're trying to find the velocity. Okay. So you do V equals D over T. So V equals 1.4 meters over 0.6 seconds. So your answer is 2.33 meters per second. So the ball fell at 2.33 meters per second.